All right, day 11 on the half bath remodel, and one of the first orders of business is actually to swap out those light bulbs because they're just the wrong color temperature. So hang with us today, and I think we're actually going to wrap this project up.
That helps.
Yeah, it's definitely not nearly as yellow as it was.
That makes me like the black backsplash better.
I'm glad you like the backsplash better.
Well, it was just a little bit yellow.
We're going to watch Shelly work for once.
Really?
Yeah. What?
For once.
Well, I mean, we watch you cut tile. You do cut a lot of tile.
I do a lot. I just don't do it on camera because I don't like camera.
You don't like cameras?
No, that's not our job. And these are different hinges, but theoretically, if we put them all in the same holes, it should hang just fine, right? Go up a little. There we go. Down a little. Perfect. How are we doing? It's a little tight.
Yep, and we're hitting somewhere. But that is really noisy. Like,
I don't know what it's rubbing on. Like, it's not rubbing on the trim. It might be rubbing on the trim a little. Alright, try that. What?
is it gonna make the noise?
Yeah,
and it's a
probably.
funny noise to me.
Wow.
That is so loud. It's this hinge right here.
I don't think one hinge
crap.
would be that loud.
Yeah, it is. Put your hand here.
Okay. Well,
Oh, it's this one hinge.
you gonna pull your trim off and set it back a little
And
further?
that's all caulked. I'd have to whack it. I could probably whack it.
I'm bringing the rubber mallet. Hold on.
It's a different pitch.
I brought your drill and your drill index, and I brought the anchors and some screws for the anchors. These are extras, we don't need these.
It's always that one picture that you want to hang. Next thing you know, you got a repairman now. Oh yeah, I'll buy that. That was the same mirror that we had up there before, we just painted it. that's it. Day 11, we finished the half bath, and something I didn't actually do in the video was actually tell you how we got this door to stop actually squeaking. See, it does not squeak anymore. No squeaky, no squeaky. So what happened was this trim was actually too far over and the hinges were hitting it. Well, first it was the bottom hinge. You saw me actually beating on the trim to move it over, persuade it to go over a little bit more to the wall, and then what ended up happening was once I got that one to stop squeaking, it actually caused the top one to stop squeaking. So I had to do the same thing, hit it over a little bit, kind of pry it up, shoot it back down, and then it actually took care of the squeak. And so no more squeak. And that means this bathroom is done. It took us 11 days and 65.25 hours. So I had a friend of mine comment on how long it would take, and his guess was 65 hours. And so I guess he wins. He gets bragging rights. I suppose if I would have taken a shorter coffee break maybe one day, he would have hit it on the nose. But I took a little bit longer, and it came out at 65.25 hours. But anyway, we're done. So thanks for journeying with us for the last 11 days and watching us transform this bathroom into something we feel is much nicer. So hope to see you on the next one.